Welcome, in front of me is a CROSSCALL Action X3, and today I will show you how to set up the Do Not Disturb mode. To get started, pull down the notification panel and find the Do Not Disturb icon, which is right here for me, and you want to hold it to gain access to the settings of it. Okay, so from here, tap on Priority Only Allows, and you can customize it to however you like it. So at the moment, priority allows reminders and events, messages are blocked, and contacts only from, or calls only from your contacts, which you can change each one of them by tapping on it. And for instance, calls will be allowed. You can change it to anyone, contact, stared contacts, which are favorite, and a none, which is no one. And messages have the exact same options. And then for instance, if you for calls select, I guess, none, you have an option to repeat callers. And if the same person calls a second time within a 15-minute period, allow it. And you can check it on, for instance. So if someone really wants to reach you and you have Do Not Disturb mode enabled, if they call twice within the 15 minutes, they will actually be able to call you, if I'm actually understanding this correctly. Then you can go back. And from here you have automatic rules. You can tap on it and then add your personal rules. So for instance, you can make it so it automatically turns on and off at your desired time. So you would just tap on add rule, and then you can set the time, name it whatever you want. And from here you have days of the week, so you can tap on it and select which days of the week you want it to be enabled in. So I'm, for instance, gonna go Monday through Friday, select kind of work schedule, I guess. And then you tap on start time, and considering we're doing as a work schedule, we're gonna start at 8. Okay. Then end time, we're gonna set it up to be at 4. So right here, there we go. And from here, you have the Do Not Disturb mode, priority only, alarm, or total silence. So if you select the first one, which is priority only, it will work as the one, the previous field, whatever we have set. Otherwise, you can choose alarm only, so only the alarm will be allowed, and total silence, the phone will be just completely disconnected in a way, so nothing will really be getting to you. And then you also have alarms can override end time, so they will be basically able to stop it. And once you have it set, it's, as you can see, automatically when you create one, it's enabled. So if I leave this right now, and even though priority, even though it would be disabled now, it would still in a way be enabled, considering it's right now in the time of work, so still nothing would be able to reach me. Now the button right here that you see is more for a manual kind of enabled, so apart from whatever it's set to be automatic. And that is basically how you would set it up. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.